Good morning, everybody. We are start our journey towards the modern periodic table. In previous period, we are discuss about the elements, classification of elements, then Dobereiner triads. Dobereiner triads मध्ये आपण मी तुम्हाला सांगितल्याप्रमाणे लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटॅशियम, बिना या पद्धतीने लक्षात ठेवायचे. हे लक्षात ठेवत असताना या दोघांचे लिथियम आणि पोटॅशियम वी हॅव टू रिमेंबर द atomic mass number of lithium and potassium. With the help of these two, we can calculate the atomic mass number of middle one, and that is the law Dobereiner's triads. तीन एकत्र आहेत म्हणून त्याला ट्रायड्स असं म्हणतात. यामध्ये 6.9 and 39.1 is the atomic mass number of lithium and potassium. With the help of these, we can calculate and also state the Dobereiner's triads. Dobereiner's triads च्या म्हणण्यानुसार लिथियम आणि पोटॅशियम यांचा अर्थमेटिक मीन हा सोडियमचा ॲटॉमिक मास नंबर असतो. या पद्धतीने डोबेरायनरने आपलं लॉ स्टेट केलं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर आपण न्यूलँड्स ऑक्टिव्ह स्टडी करताना we have to remember the elements which arrange. Both of these three scientists focus on the atomic mass number of element. atomic mass number वरच या तिघाही शास्त्रज्ञाने आपला फोकस करून गुणधर्म अभ्यासले. Newlands also arrange the element in increasing order of their atomic mass number. We have to remember the sequence: hydrogen, lithium, up to fluorine is the 8 elements. न्यूलँडच्या नियमानुसार मूलद्रव्याची मांडणी अणुवस्तुमानांकाच्या चढत्या क्रमांकाने केल्यानंतर हायड्रोजन नंतर येणारं 8वं मूलद्रव्य हे गुणधर्मामध्ये साम्यता दाखवतं. दॅट मीन्स द 8th elements which shows the similar properties that of the first. हे डोबेरायनर मध्ये आपण लक्षात ठेवताना मूलद्रव्याचा क्रम लावायचा आहे. हायड्रोजन, लिथियम, बेरियम, बोरॉन, then carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. 8th elements, fluorine which shows similar properties. Now we will move toward the Mendeleev's periodic table. Again, how much elements are known at that time? हे आपल्याला त्यांना सांगायचं आहे. 63 elements मेंडेलीवच्या वेळेस आपल्याला आढळले. He was the first scientist who successfully classified all known elements, and that is why Mendeleev is called as father of periodic table. मेंडेलीवला यश मिळाल्यामुळे खऱ्या अर्थाने याला मेंडेलीवला पिरियॉडिक टेबलचा जनक म्हणतात. 63 elements are known at that time. Again, Mendeleev focus on atomic mass number. पुन्हा मेंडेलीवने कशाला महत्व दिलं? atomic mass number. त्याचबरोबर मेंडेलीवने 2 फिजिकल आणि केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीवर फोकस केला. According to Mendeleev, these physical and chemical properties is the periodic function of their atomic mass number. म्हणजे मेंडेलिव्हने सुद्धा कशाला महत्व दिलं? atomic mass number. It is not necessary to explain the atomic mass number. In short, we are discuss about the physical and chemical property. Physical means overall आपल्याला ज्या मूलद्रव्याच्या रंगामध्ये त्याच्या गंध, odor, then the density, these properties explained in physical properties. These in chemical properties we explain the reactivity of that element. These both properties is a periodic function of their atomic masses. अशा पद्धतीने मेंडेलिव्हने 63 एलिमेंटची क्लासिफिकेशन करताना फिजिकल आणि केमिकल याचबरोबर 2 हायड्रोजन आणि ऑक्सिजन जे हायली रिॲक्टिव्ह एलिमेंट्स आहेत यांच्याशी कंपॅरिझन करून पिरियडिक टेबल तयार केले. मेंडेलिव्ह choose the hydrogen and oxygen, which is the reactive elements, the reactivity of another elements with hydrogen and oxygen, as well as the increasing order of their atomic mass number. Mendeleev classify all 63 elements. Mendeleev states that he state काय त्याने नेमका गुणधर्म मांडला तर फिजिकल अँड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज अ periodic function of their atomic masses. ऍक्च्युअल रूल काय आहे त्याचा? मेंडेलिव्हचा रूल आहे फिजिकल अँड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. इन शॉर्ट, द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज अ पिरियडिक फंक्शन ऑफ देअर atomic mass. This much is sufficient when you explain the Mendeleev's law explain करताना how much elements are discovered, how Mendeleev classify them, which criteria use, he focus on atomic mass number and which law is states. त्यांनी कोणता लॉ दिला तर फिजिकल आणि केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज या त्या मूलद्रव्याच्या atomic mass number वर अवलंबून आहे. Physical and chemical properties of an element is a periodic function of their atomic mass. Now we will discuss merit and demerits. Which is the merits? In another words, we say that advantage or merits. First thing is that all known elements successfully classified. हे पहिलं आहे. मेंडेलिव्हने सगळ्या मूलद्रव्यांना क्लासिफाय केलं. त्यानंतर इफ यू सी द वंडरफुल चेंज in the Mendeleev's, if you see in the book page number 18, if you observe, you see the certain vacant place. That means Mendeleev kept certain vacant place in the periodic table. Why he kept this vacant place? He kept certain vacant place to that element which yet does not discovered. फॉर एक्झाम्पल त्यांनी त्याच्यात दिलेलं आहे वॅकंट प्लेस ठेवताना समजा इफ वी अरेंज द एलिमेंट लाईक दिस A B C D then certain vacant place again B C, that means the element that kept in this place which yet not discovered. हे ठेवताना त्याने त्या मूलद्रव्याच्या गुणधर्माविषयी थोडीशी नावाविषयी कल्पना दिली, गुणधर्माविषयी दिली, which properties will followed by these elements. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथे त्याने त्या मूलद्रव्याला इका ॲल्युमिनियम असं नाव दिलं. And when the element discovered which shows the similar properties called as gallium. This is one thing. This is the thing which is advantage of this Mendeleev's periodic table. Another important thing, he was the scientist who arranged inert gases also. Like helium, neon, argon. Mendeleev arranged or kept another place in the periodic table, and he arranged these inert gases separately in the periodic table without disturbing other elements. म्हणजे इनर्ट गॅसेसला पिरियॉडिक टेबल मध्ये सेपरेट स्थान त्याने दिलं. What is inert gases? Inert gases, or they are also called noble gases. That means they do not react with another elements. Their outermost orbit is completely filled. That is why they are discovered. But when they are introduced in the periodic table without disturbing another elements, this is another advantage. One more thing is that if you observe periodic table carefully, you can see the vertical column and horizontal rows. Vertical column like this and horizontal rows. Mendeleev called it as a certain names. Horizontal rows called as periods and vertical column called as groups. You remember this, the horizontal rows. This is also advantage of Mendeleev's periodic table. Horizontal rows called as period. You remember the word HP in short. Horizontal rows called as period. Automatically you remember that vertical column is called as groups. These are the certain merits or advantage of Mendeleev's periodic table. हे ऍडव्हान्टेज मध्ये आपण एक्सप्लेन करू शकतो मेंडेलिव्हच्या. आपण मॉडर्न पिरियॉडिक टेबलच्या दिशेने आपण वाटचाल करत आहोत आणि त्यामध्ये सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा गुणधर्म मेंडेलिव्हने मांडला तो आपण थोडक्यात बघितला. मेंडेलिव्ह स्टेट दॅट physical and chemical properties is a periodic function of their atomic masses. He arranged elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. advantage मध्ये the scientists who successfully classify all elements, all known elements, he kept certain vacant place and give the when the elements discovered which shows the similar properties that Mendeleev explained. Another one, he placed the inert gases separately in the periodic table. And next, another important, horizontal rows called as periods and vertical column called as groups. These are the merits or advantage. Certain disadvantages also there. What is the disadvantage? We'll have to explain. Only we will see the points only. The position of hydrogen. If you see the position of hydrogen in first group as well as it is also shows the properties like seventh group, that halogen which is placed in the seventh group. Hydrogen shows the properties like a halogen also, and that is why the position of hydrogen is not fixed in the Mendeleev's periodic table. And second thing is about isotopes. आयसोटोपच्या बाबतीत काय आहे तर आयसोटोप्स, if we arrange the element in increasing order of their atomic masses, then the isotopes definitely place in a single groups, but according to their properties. What is isotopes? Isotopes means the element which shows similar chemical properties but different physical properties. That means isotope shows similar chemical properties and different physical properties according to their atomic mass. That means same atomic mass, different atomic numbers. They would place in a single group. In modern periodic table, isotopes kept in a different groups and periods. These are the two important disadvantages. In short मध्ये advantage, first we'll have to remember laws, then second thing merits, third thing demerits. I think you completely understood. All of you are satisfied. आता आपण खऱ्या अर्थाने मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल कडे जात आहोत. आतापर्यंत ज्या शास्त्रज्ञाने आपल्याला पिरियडिक टेबलची मांडणी करण्यास त्यांचं योगदान दिलेलं आहे ते आपण पाहता. आता आपण या पुढच्या तासाला मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल कडे जाऊ. याच्यावर आधारित प्रश्न मी तुम्हाला लिहून पाठवतो. त्या प्रश्नांची उत्तर आपण तयार करायची. हॅव अ गुड डे. थँक यू.